3 red lights, 4 red lights, 5 red lights. And away we go. Lincoln are getting a good start, but High Jumpers are 2 for a good start. And the racing point of Louis Fire also a good start, but what can they do into turn 1 as Louis Fire to third position as Louis Fire just gets tapped by Mercedes, but Louis Fire as the right. Oh, and that is High Jumpers being spun round.
High Jumpers is gone.
Spun round.
Oh no. Someone's gone off as well. He's off.
Not a Hamilton Rosberg moment there. You all know what happened there.
Right, that flashback there, yeah.
Sam having to slow down.
But it's so hard to keep up.
Also, the Renault with Moldy Banana went off as well. As Cryptic F1 up into 10th, an astounding start for him.
Oh, he's back down to 19th. He's gone off!
Oh
no!
Oh.
Cryptic's gone off with TTM Sam!
Cryptic TTM Sam. And is that a safety car?
It is, it's a safety car.
Safety car. As Moldy Banana has retired from the session.
Vissel spend as well. Oh, and Vissel's going for another one. Wow, he's... You do get those 5 seconds for little taps on the safety car. Oh, Vissel spins off!
Vissel spins off window safety car, pulled a George Russell. Was it Ericsson? You'll never know. In this lap. So it is, safety car is coming in this lap, so a restart. Will there be more carnage or will it stay clean this time? We'll have to wait and see as Lincoln is controlling the car, weaving and sorry to get his tyres up to his.
So High Jumpers now's got a job ahead of him. He's got to get up from 18th, started second, but he spun out at the start.
As Lincoln has gotten underway, so as we are now back under green flag conditions. So can Lincoln keep his lead after the 6-car restart? As that is the Mercedes of Veteran Killer out off the restart. As VSL spending High Jumpers into the pit, so have Veteran Killer crashing off the restart, but Lincoln crucially keeping his lead as Louis Fire is up into 2nd position. Is that M-Gamer making a move on Benji Matthew? Yes, it is. Can M-Gamer make the move on Benji Matthew, or will Benji Matthew keep position? Benji Matthew does keep the position into turn 5.
Within the 1 second of Lincoln.
That's Steven Sharpie trying to make a move on Appley. Steven Sharpie breaking it, and then Appley keeping him.
Takes the inside line. Are they going to touch? Don't. Oh, there we go.
Steven Sharpie through the inside on turn
nice
3.
move.
Beautiful move
That
from
is
Steven
a
Sharpie.
really nice move. That is. It was moves like that all day.
Is that Duke's off again? That is Duke's out of the session. There is a safety car.
Oh, another one. Another
Duke's spun at turn 9.
Was that his own doing, or was that? Oh, they all pile into the pits now. Lincoln Oak in the pit lane line.
In the pits. So is Benji Matthew. Surely drivers will be pitting onto the hards here. Hards for Spenny. So yeah, hards for everyone here. Yeah, everyone going into the hards here. Is that Spenny actually jumped Louis Fire in the pits? Spenny got ahead of Louis Fire in the pits.
So yeah, Sharpie now leads this Grand Prix. And once again, we will be racing here in Barcelona. safety car is coming in. The puncher's very much backed up here. Lincoln Oak, he will be looking to get his #1 spot back immediately. Here is a Go Racing once again here in Spain. The yellow flags all over the shop. And now game up. Does he hold on to his lead? Lincoln Oak pushes him and he gets his spot back.
Louis Fire gets
the first corner there.
and Louis Fire gets back ahead of Svenny. And Moller is out of the session. When did Moller retire?
Someone's come off, I think. See you then, Sharpie.
Yeah, that's Steven Sharpie and DNG Rxd both off at different points of the track. They both found the tires off in sector 2. One at turn 4 and one at turn 5.
DNG Rxd just spinning around the track here. Are you watching this? It's doing it. It's trying to get his car back straight. It's just not happening.
Doing donut. Oh.
He's just spinning all over the track. What is going on? DNG Rxd he finally gets his car.
The DNG Rxd donut show.
4 working wheels. And that is not good for the AlphaTauri.
See Cryptic F1 right up now, happily. So, was that a Spenny Senior or Louis Fire going to the gravel? I couldn't tell. Was Spenny Senior right up behind Louis Fire? Can he make the move? Into turn 1, DRS. And overtaking Louis. Spenny Senior pulls up alongside Louis Fire.
Spenny Senior now.
Spenny Senior up into second.
Tight them two. Far in McLaren. Like, they kept it clean, and B Matthew gets up into 4th. 11 seconds between him and 3rd place. Oh, and Tiffany's going to go for the move back here. Takes the inside line, switching about. Most of the points getting involved as well. Hydro Blizzard. It's 3-1. 3-1 does not go. The Ferrari's being tossed about here. Hydro Blizzard gets ahead. That was one hell of a battle there between them 3. Wow. Side of the game picking up a penalty. That was really good racing to watch, and now these 3.
They are so close.
They're hammer and tongs now going down this straight. Oh, and he's gone off! That's Hydro Blizzard off! Ended up hitting Benji, I think it was, and going off into the gravel. Still just behind.
So, Electro out on top. So far. Get that 4th place back off I can't talk. Electro. Benji Matthew making his way around the outlook and all. The tap between Benji Matthew and that's Hydro Blizzard flying up the inside of Benji Matthew now after he got tapped by Electro.
These 3 are all still at it. It's really good.
Very interesting race. There are a lot of big events in this race.
And once again, the FIA is going to be busy. I do understand it's hard to keep it clean.
Leave weaving all over the straight.
You see now,
off to the outside.
his last chance saloon here for the Red Bull as he takes the outside line. Extenders into the inside line. It's he's spun! He's spun! He's spun! He's got to get back on the track if he wants his podium. He's done it. He's managed to hold on to P3. Oh, good battle. Once again ends in disaster. Pierre Alonso has retired, it looks like.
Retired at turn 9. Hydro was in the 1:17.6 fastest lap. So, will the FIA be looking into that one for Louis Fire?
Lincoln Oak now running the last 3 corners. Been very unsung this race. He's very much just got his head down, not really been challenged too much, apart from after the first safety car restart. He had to get his place back. I believe it was Sharpie, he was in the race at that point. other than that, he's been very much unchallenged through qualifying and
So-
race.
Try and get top 3 for an interview here. But,
Lincoln Oak across the line to win
Lincoln Oak has won the Spanish Grand Prix.
Good
So-
race from him. And the fastest lap to
Well
top it
done.
off as
Louis
well.
Fire takes second. Louis Fire actually had a 5 seconds, so Spenny would have got that second
Oh,
place if he
no.
had spun round.
No, I know.
Oh, so unfortunate for Spenny.
Yeah.
You have to feel for him.